sticky, sweet Hoisin salmon. Is there anything else I should say? It's so tasty. We use a homemade Hoisin sauce, which is optional but highly recommended, to make a simple salmon marinade that then doubles as a glaze in the end. This is a good one.
Let's make our simple glaze first. We need 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce. If you've been following us for a while, you know we love our homemade Hoisin, which we have linked below, but if you'd prefer, use store-bought. Next, to make this sweet, use 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and a tablespoon of brown sugar. To balance the sugar, we add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Wow, I am not doing very well with measuring today. Okay, and now some Dijon mustard. I'm adding a teaspoon and it is surprisingly delicious in this salmon glaze. Finally, we need 1 garlic clove. You can mince or grate it into the glaze. Give everything a good stir and then season with salt. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon. This makes enough glaze for 4 fillets. Our fillets are about 6 ounces each. Pour the glaze over the salmon and then, if you have the time, let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. Marinating the salmon right in the glaze like this guarantees the best flavor. If you're in a rush, skip it. The salmon will still be delicious. My salmon has been marinating for a while and now we can bake. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, I like to spoon a bit more glaze over the salmon. At this temperature, the salmon will take 15 to 20 minutes. As it bakes, I like to check on the salmon a few times and spoon some of that glaze that drips down to the bottom of the dish back over the salmon. This makes sure that our glaze caramelizes on top and becomes sticky. I love serving this glazed salmon with some sliced green onion on top, so I slice a bunch of them just before I take it out of the oven. Now remember, you can find this glazed salmon recipe and the homemade Hoisin recipe with its video on Inspired Taste. And here we go. The salmon is perfectly cooked in the middle with a sweet sticky glaze on top. We absolutely love this baked salmon recipe and can't wait for you to try it. See you next time.